Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of Oukitel WP5000. This is a new smartphone, comes with IP68, also very durable, rugged design here. A massive 5200 mAh battery as well, so should last all day in terms of the battery life. So we're just going to have a look at it here. I think we're getting a Helio processor as well. So this is the device, as you can see. Very tough looking. Wow, that's probably the most aggressive looking phone I've ever unboxed. It looks like something out of like an alien film. I mean, look at that. That is pretty tough looking. It's definitely not the thinnest and kind of suavest device, but if you're looking for something in like a factory environment, I mean, this looks like it's going to last like bomb proof. But we are going to do a little test in a moment just to see how tough it is. What else do we get in the box? Let's have a look. So I think we're going to get the standard stuff here, like a charger. As you can see, Type C supported. Is that Type C? Yes, it is. And then you also get like a, it looks like you don't have a headphone jack, unfortunately, which will mean that you'll need to use this adapter. So that's a bit annoying, but you do get this thing as well, which I think is some sort of tool to open it up, maybe to make modifications to it or something. I've not seen that before. You also get your charger, which is 2-pin here. I'm guessing this is a fast charger, as you can see, which is nice. And also you do get in here your instruction manual. So everything you need to get going and the SIM tool is in the box. And we're just going to have a look at the back here a little bit more. So they're using some really premium materials here in terms of the construction. It's got like a rubber texture to it as well, for better grip. So you can see this bottom here is protected. I'm guessing this helps to achieve its IP68. Let's get that open. You can see you get the charging port. So very tough looking handset, gotta say. Very robust. You can see you get your SIM card slot there as well. In fact, I'll keep that down. And your buttons are on the side. Really refreshing actually to have a different build quality than the normal like bezel-less display that you do, you know, get on every phone now. So I think there's a screen protector applied as well. You're also getting 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, Android 7.1, Nugget, Bluetooth 4.2, military grade. That's what they actually call the build quality. It does look very military actually. So we'll just skip through this. Fingerprint scanner. Where's the fingerprint scanner? It's on the back there. So that is quite nice as well. And we'll just go through this. So this is, wow, that's loud, that is. So this is the startup, as you can see. Oops, just go back. So just get the brightness up. Now the brightness is up. So not the brightest of displays here. You can see that is a little bit of a down point, but it's very legible when you're looking at it head on. So look at the wallpapers. So I think it's Oukitel who uses the dark wallpapers. I told them last time, you know, put some lighter ones on. But again, I guess it fits with the device. So look at the Android. So you can see 7.1.1, 21 megapixel camera as well, which should give you pretty decent in terms of the shots, etc. What do we have to take a picture of? Let's see. We do have the OnePlus 6, so let's just see how that goes. So camera can be a weak point of these sorts of devices, but as long as it you know, takes a legible shot, if you're in the factory or something, it isn't too bad. And as you can see, very legible, which is good. And it looks like you get quite a few different modes here. So it looks like this is quite a tough device. I think that is something I wanted to test actually. So it's coming, I think, with IP68. So we're going to see if that is the case here. So let's see. I can't see a better way of testing, to be honest. Could have used Coca-Cola, but it's not very scientific. We'll keep it in there for a minute or so. Can you use the display? No, you can't. Seems to be holding up though, which is nice. And I will leave a link in the description if you are interested in getting one. I think they're quite affordable, considering the spec that it does come with. Turn it around here. I love that. I love those screws. So the screws make it look so like tough, and there's also a speaker on the back, I think, there, as you can see, which looks pretty nice. So if Oukitel can do the waterproofing, I wonder why OnePlus can't. That is very interesting. Seems to be like a standard kind of feature nowadays. But we'll just get out here and see. You can use a display. Seems like it, as you can see. Looks very legible. So yeah, just a quick unboxing. First look of the Oukitel WP5000. I will do a comparison with this phone, see how it compares with another phone. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.